Hi, welcome to my channel. Eczema and psoriasis are difficult skin conditions to live with. They cause intense itching, stinging, redness, scaling, dryness, burning, and bleeding of the skin. It has an enormous impact on life quality, not only for the person with it, but also on parents of children who are suffering. For many years, both children and adults have been prescribed pills, lotions, cortisone creams, and steroids by doctors. These are all artificial man-made chemicals to ingest or put on top of already damaged skin. While these options may lessen the itching sensation and act as short-term relief, they don't do much to fight the underlying cause of eczema or psoriasis. Kangen water machines are medical-grade in-home water ionizers that produce 7 levels of custom pH water, ranging from 2.5 pH to 11.5 pH. The water has powerful antioxidants which flush toxins out of the body, which then allows the body to naturally begin to heal itself. Step to follow to manage eczema psoriasis naturally with the Kangen water machine. Step 1. Rinse with pH 11.5 pH water to remove excess oils from the skin. Step 2. Cleanse with 4.5 pH water. Step 3. Using a cotton swab, dab pH 2.5 on any active blemishes or broken skin. Step 4. Tone using beauty water, 6.0 pH in a glass bottle with a fine spray mister. Step 5. Repeat morning and bedtime. I think this information may help you a lot. Before following any procedure, you first consult with your personal doctor. With this, I am signing off. See you in next video. Thank you.